Today I'm going to show you how you can make a poster in Canva step by step. There are a few different ways how you can make the poster. You can either make the poster from the scratch or you can use the templates that comes with Canva. Just search a design here. And there you go. There are a lot of templates for you to choose from. The easier way is to simply use these templates and make it your own. But I'm going to show you how you can recreate something like this from the scratch. Alright, so in order to do that, click on create a design and then search for poster. Alright, so this is your user interface, and on the left side you'll get all the features. Click on elements. From here you can use all these shapes, graphics and designs. You can even use stickers and photos and videos as well, and there are lots of other stuff. One thing we're gonna use is this frames, and we're gonna insert our images here. So let's just select one. Alright, so before we do anything else, let's just change the background color. Alright, and then use this, maybe place it here. Alright, so I'm trying to replicate this. So they have a circle here and the picture on top of it. Alright, maybe like this. And I'm gonna add few more frames here. Alright, so you can just copy paste these. Alright, so let's add some text. Use a heading. Alright, let's just change the font. Alright, then we can add a subheading. Alright, so let's add some more text and a little bit of description. In this, we're going to use the magic write option from the new feature. So let's just add some few words here. Alright, so I've written come and join us for some delicious burgers. And then we're going to click on magic write and click on continue writing. Alright, and the AI has generated a paragraph for us. Let's just edit it a little bit. Alright, let's just change the alignment. Just head over here and you will get all the editing features. Okay, not bad. So maybe we do a little bit of edits. Alright, so the AI has written this. We are proud to offer the juiciest burger in town, made only with the freshest ingredients. Our burgers are cooked to perfection and served on a toasted bun. Alright, that's so cool. So entire thing is written by the AI. Alright, so now we add our images here. Alright, so I'm gonna just click and drag it here. Alright, so our base of the poster is ready. You can decorate it by adding more elements. So let's add some graphics. Okay, I like this. Change the color to white. Alright, so let's try something else. Move it to backwards. Alright, I like this effect. Let's just use it. Alright, so our basic poster is ready in just few minutes. Let's just add one more shape here and say we are open. Let's go to graphics. And there you go. They have lots of cool options to choose from. So maybe I like this. Just drag and drop it. Alright, so our poster is ready. So we did everything from the scratch, and with Canva it was so smooth. Alright, so that's how you make a poster in Canva from the scratch. So if you're happy with the poster, just click on share and click on download. I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.